Everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on one-handed mode on Samsung. First thing is open up your settings, go down to advanced features, tap on advanced features, then you can see the option for one-handed mode, so you turn it on. What this means is that you can temporarily scale down the display size for easier control of your phone with just one hand. So now you have to choose want to use display size with gesture or button. If you double tap the home button, if you're using the button display navigation display, you can use this option, but since I'm using the gesture display, it has to be this option. So if I swipe down the center of the button edge of the screen, let's see, so I'm to swipe down, like this. I can have the feature for one-handed. So okay, let's see how to go back. It's just to move it. Okay, so let's turn it off, and I've turned it off. It's as simple as that.